How to send self-destructing photo on Telegram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Telegram application in your mobile device. So go ahead and open it. Once you open it, you want to make sure that you're signed in to your Telegram account. So once you're signed in, simply select a chat where you want to send a self-destructing photo on Telegram. So once you select a chat, you want to go ahead and tap on this icon right over here. Tap onto it. Now select a picture that you would like to send. Now once you tap on the picture, you'll find this icon right over here. Long press onto it, and then you'll find different options. View once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and do not delete. So choose the one that you prefer, but I'm going to be choosing view once. Once you're done, simply tap on the send icon, and just like so, this photo is sent where the person can only view it once. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.